Hi guys, today we are at the Paradox Museum, Fort, Mumbai. This place is very close to the CST station. It's a walkable distance, and then once you enter, you have to book your tickets. The ticket prices are mentioned on the screen. So once you book your tickets, you get a slot for which you are allowed to go in for an hour. So that is the time is written on the tickets, and also the guy at the counter reminds you. So you have to tie your entry wristband, and that's how we started off. So once you enter, you have to move out to the first floor. You have all these illusional areas where you can dress up, like the color of the wall. You can click pictures, like you see here. We had clicked a lot of pictures which are very, very nice, very illusional, right? And we also could explore a lot of things which are kept on the table, which are not exactly the way it looked, but because of the reflection it was looking like. We had a mirror which you could turn, tilt, and you would reflect it. You would look as if you're tilted. We had illusional screens where we could see the screen in a way that it is projected. It was very nice. You have to experience this science related fun museum. I think it is more for kids, but nevertheless I think we also enjoyed it a lot. Look at this. So this is where we saw a lot of as kids we used to have a lot of books which used to, once you used to move it, you could see the reflection. So this was something really nice. So look at the mirror. You feel as if you're being turned around, and this was very nice. You have to explore this. I mean, I can't put the music on because of the rights issue that YouTube might come out with, so we're just keeping this low on music. These are some illusional, and this is something which we click there. Fun time. So I think all of you need to go and explore it. It's a one-time thing which I think just for the sake of having good pictures, having a good time for that 1 hour, you need to visit that place and have fun. So that's all from our end. If there are any places which are unique and you want us to visit, do let us know